Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna bring you this little wig preview for pinkypromise.com. We're gonna finally take a look at the brand new Raquel Welch collection. These are from their sheer luxury collection, and they feature their new Luxe Light cap. And these caps are fitting petite average. So I'm excited to show them to you coming up. Okay, so first wig we are looking at is called Flying Solo, and the color on this one is the 1422 SS Shaded Wheat, one of my faves. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around. I'm not going to give you guys a whole lot of details in this little preview. This is just a preview for you to see all the wigs together, cap construction, all my opinions, all that stuff, measurements. Those are all going to come in the reviews. So the reviews are going to start very soon, probably a couple days. So anyway, you'll start seeing these on my YouTube and you'll get all those details there. So here we are with Flying Solo. Very pretty bob. Let's look at the next one. Okay, this one is called Made You Look, and the shade on this one is Shaded Hazelnut, which is 829 SS. So she's a cute shorter bob. I will tell you that she does have a bang layer here. It's a bit long. We'll get into the measurements, like I said, and all that stuff when I do the review. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around. Okay, this one is called Boudoir Glam, and she is a bit more voluminous cut. These, I'm not really feeling permatease in these because these are hand tied, but this one definitely is meant to have a little volume the way that they did the cut. So it's an asymmetrical bob. So I'll do a turn. Oh, and this is Shaded Cappuccino 1222 SS. Okay, so this one is called Bellavita, and this is in the Shaded Iced Pumpkin, which is 2933 SS. Very, very pretty wavy style. This one's really pretty. I like this one. I don't dislike the other ones, but I like this one. I think this one's going to be a favorite. Okay, so last but not least is the longest, and this one is quite a beauty. This is Stay the Night, and the color on this one is Shaded Biscuit, which is 1923 SS. So very long, really pretty. Okay, so this has just been a little preview. Be looking for these reviews. These are in, of course, the Raquel Welch True to Life Heat Friendly Fibers. So we'll discuss that, as it pertains to each wig in all of the reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the reviews. Take care of yourselves. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.